Hello everyone. Welcome to Ask Cynthia. Today, as promised in my last video, I have been speaking a lot previously in my videos concerning cleansing the body gently with natural supplements that won't hurt you, and if you use them modestly and take your time and allow your body to respond, you can do a lot for your own health. I was able to do so, and I had been on a 15-year journey to wellness, and 5 years after that, it's been 20 years, and even today, I still try to take care of my body, and I'm always taking something that's a natural supplement, feeding my body what it needs, because at my age of 57, my body just cannot produce the things that it used to be able to when I was, say, in my 20s and 30s and a much younger woman. So now I have to take it upon myself to give my body what it needs. And I have cleansed my body. I have done inner colon cleansing since the year 2000. I've had a lot of ups and downs, trials and tribulations, but I learned the things to do and the things not to do. And that's why I'm here today. I would just like to share what I know from personal experience and help people. And if I look like to you that I know what I'm talking about, and I mean 20 years of things that I have learned and shared with people, and look at me today, then you can judge for yourself, because the things I tell you is because it's things that I personally know, that I have done, that I have tried, and I've been through the trials, the errors, the ups and downs. I know what works, I know what doesn't work, and I know that everybody's body is different. But I can tell you that if you listen to your own body, if you really pay attention, your body will talk to you and tell you what it needs. And it'll also let you know what it doesn't need. Anything you eat or drink, if your body feels good, then you know that it was okay and your body accepted it. But if you end up feeling bad and get sick after eating or drinking something, then your body is telling you, no, I don't want that anymore. Don't give me that anymore. So the body does talk to us and tell us exactly what it wants and what it doesn't want. And when you listen to your body, you are helping your health. So in lieu of speaking about colon cleansing, I shared this natural cleanse. It's sold on Amazon. It's called Diatomaceous Earth. And if you would like to know about this gentle cleanse, it's 89% silica. I looked it up and reintroduced myself to the information again. I thought it was maybe 82 to 85% silica, but it's actually 89% silica, which is something that your body needs. It helps and strengthens and rebuilds and cleanses every cell in your body, and we have 100 trillion cells in our bodies. And this product is excellent. The body will take it in naturally and use it to build and strengthen and cleanse itself. So this is an excellent one that I had introduced, as well as if you want to go herbal as well. This one is called Colon Cleanse, also sold on Amazon. It's a gentle overnight cleanser. It does an excellent job as well. But what I learned in my years of cleansing my colon, cleansing my body, trying to help rebuild it, get it rejuvenated and renewed, I made one mistake of not also introducing and taking probiotics the way that I should be taking them. There are hundreds of different types of bacteria that live and exist in our colons, and so there are also many strains, a number of strains of good bacteria, and each one of those strains target different areas in the body. There are specific strains that targets a woman's reproductive area, probably also a man's. But I will touch, my next video, I'll touch on things for the females concerning reproductive health. I will also have a topic for men's reproductive health as well, because I have a vast library of natural products and the conditions that they treat. So there's something out there for everyone. Whatever you're dealing with and going through with your health, there's something you can do naturally about it. So this product I recommend, and I just received it in the mail last week, and I've started taking it, and it's been doing an excellent job in helping to restore my stomach, my reproductive area, and it contains, this is a lactobacillus strain, and it contains andesinic acid as well, that helps balance those yeast and things. And my last video talked about candida, which is a yeast condition that just blows up out of control and can wreak a lot of havoc on the body. So this probiotic will help to bring those levels of yeast and fungus down and take over the body like it should. Good bacteria should be in the numbers of like 85% out of 100. Your colon should contain a good 85% balance of good bacteria to keep your colon running smoothly, to keep your whole body in balance and not allow those yeast and fungus and bacteria and viruses to spread and take over the body. So this one I got through Amazon. It's made by a company called Thorne Research, and the name of it is Formula SF722. And it has been doing a very good job of helping me to keep my body balanced. It helps to control odors. Every now and then I love to have a glass of wine or drink some beer, and those things can take over as far as creating odors in certain areas of your body. So this is really a very good probiotic to help maintain and keep those things under control. Okay, so my next video, I would like to discuss acid reflux. Is a very serious problem. I experienced acid reflux, and I did research and discovered some natural things that can be done to help alleviate these symptoms. And it's a very uncomfortable condition. So definitely look out for my next video. Thank you.